Welcome back to Zeno page builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the comparator element. The comparator element allows you to create incredible before and after effect. Let's walk through the options the comparator element has to offer. First, we have layer number. By default, it has 2 images, but if you want to show 3 layers, you can choose 3. And you see there are 3 images. Then you can set each image to make the best transformation effect. You should use the images that are similar but different in the features you want to showcase. So it makes sure when you slide the handle, you see the effect clearly. You can change the separator color. Let's say I want the separator to be red. I can change it here. The handle color, I want it to green. And I want to change the handle curve to be more square or to be more rounded. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.